Oh hey neighbors, you already read the title, so you know where we're gonna go.
G'day everybody, and I'd like to welcome you all to the town of Highfields. Let's just go have a look. We're currently right here, and we're going to be showing you all around this great town. Come with me, let's get going.
Alright, so as you all know, we love to hang out at parks, so the Highfields one is no exception. We're gonna have a bit of fun! Now, the Highfields Park is actually a lot better than others because we're still inside the sand park, but they've actually got tables that you can sit down and have a break.
Here in Highfields you can get everything that you need. We have Coles, Snap Fitness, some places over there. This place has it all. Stop calling this number.
Oh, out here in Highfields as well, they've got your 50-cent or 20-cent payphones, sponsored not by Telstra.
We're out here at Peacehaven Botanical Park, and right now it's spring, so everything should be blooming. Let's go take a look, gamers.
Here at Peacehaven's Botanical Garden, they do have some beautiful plants currently blooming out, and right in front of us is the amazing gazebo. Come with me. Oh my God, look over there. Let's go take a dip.
Aunt Baru! Aunt Baru! What have they done to you? Oh my God. It's a mosaic dragonfly. That's very cool. Out here at the Peacehaven Native Nursery, here you can get lots of cool native plants. And in NAIDOC week, that's especially something that you might want to be doing. Let's go have a look.
These are all the different acacia plants. And over here, the Westringia. Let's head over here. Now, all of these types of plants are rainforest ones. The palm lilies are really exquisite, especially at this time. If you know someone that's named Trish, this one right here is the pick for her. Gamer. Coconut ice. Welcome to the Danish Flower Art and Cafe, just around the corner from the main road going into Highfields. Here, you can sit back, relax, and view the outdoors, or even sit down and have a cuppa joe. Let's go explore.
Right here are gourds, and they actually paint these and make some really cool designs with them. Here's a whole lot of them. For these really big ones, they cost around $7 each, and I'd say that's a pretty cool price for a pretty rare plant. Just under this lovely jacaranda tree is a cool little cafe in the middle of Highfields called Urban Cup. Now Urban Cup is right in the center. All around we have the school, we have shopping centers, we even have a McDonald's, a Woolworths just around the corner. We even have that sheep place. How cool is that?
Welcome to the Highfields Village Shopping Centre, where it's got most of your necessities, like Thai food, more other Asian type of places, Domino's, Cracker Jacks, heck, they've even got a McDonald's and a big Woolworths. But after you've eaten all of that, they've got a gym near the cultural centre, and then you can maybe play some basketball. But they've also got like a movie theatre type place there at the registers. It kind of looks like you're going to the theatres, but you're actually not. And they also have a swimming pool, so let's go take a dip. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on what's it like in Highfields. Now, sorry that we didn't get to go see a lot of the stuff because there was a bunch of roadworks, we couldn't really get in, but we did go see more of the outdoorsy places. But hey, I hope you're not mad at us for doing that, and make sure to keep on subscribing to us because Pandre over here, 90% of you aren't subscribed, but hey, go subscribe to me. There's only 50% of you that aren't, so hurry up. What are you doing?
Everybody, thank you so much for watching. You guys already know what to do. You should be liking, you should be subscribing, do whatever you do. Comment, hey, tell us what's going on, tell us somewhere else to go, and hey, see this circle thing here? Click on that circle thing right now. Just click on that. Just click on that right there, and then you see that square thing? Just click on that. And hey, thanks for watching. I gotta bounce.